Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another episode of your review channel. Today we're talking about the YouTube Studio Creator app. It's like awesome. You gotta download this app, you gotta try it. I think the interface is much better than the actual website itself. It's really kind of cool. So let's check it out together. It's all about YouTube Studio. Let's get into the video right now and look at everything. Okay guys, let's get into the video. So I'm going to be talking today about the YouTube Studio app on your iPhone device, iOS. If you haven't downloaded this app and used it, it's just like the desktop to get all your stats, your analytics, how your video is performing, and that kind of stuff. So it's really kind of cool on the go. If you want to know how, what's going on with your phone, what's going on with your videos, and just can take a look at everything here. So let's just pull up mine, and we'll just go to the dashboard. So basically what this is, it just gives you an overview of how many subscribers you have. It gives you all minutes watched, how many views in the last 28 days, subscribers up 39 subscribers, which is great. Then you have your videos by ranking. You can click on that, so you can really get a whole look, just like the desktop basically, or on your iPad as well. I'm pretty sure it's the same thing, that you can see what's going on. So this is the overview. Okay, then you can click on videos, and you can see all your videos right here. Okay, you can see all your videos. You can take a look at the stats of each video. You can change the video. You can edit your videos here, as far as the titling and so forth with the tags, meta tags. You can look at your playlists and see all your different playlists that you have, so you can see everything. Really, pretty much, it's like a separate app from the YouTube app. So basically, you go in here and you can see all the stats. So I really like my favorite thing is really the analytics. Love analytics. I'm not sure if people look at the analytics. So it gives you a really good overview of what's going on, and that's another really important factor if you're trying to build your channel on YouTube, which I am trying to build. So I've been noticing a steady trend up in the last 4 or 5 months. I've been putting a lot of work in doing videos, and so I hope it shows. I hope the people are happy with it. I think so. I'm getting a good uptick in my responses. Now you can take a look at this with me. In the last 48 hours, I've had 930 views. Okay, it tells you right here. These are the top ones right now in the last 48 hours. Costco versus Trader Joe's, Costco closeout deals. You can get an idea of exactly what's happening here. Okay, you can go up and you can really see everything timed. You can see all your time watched. Okay, 24,000 minutes in the last 28 days. Okay, in the last 28 days, I've had 12,198 views, which I think is pretty good. I mean, I guess it's okay. We've got 28 days. Okay, the average view time is 2 minutes, which is pretty good. Revenue have not been monetized yet. So what that means is if you're trying to build your YouTube channel, and to get monetized, you have to have 4,000 hours and at least 1,000 subscribers. So I'm almost halfway there, which is cool. I'm not frustrated with it at all. I'm just gonna keep pushing through, putting out very good quality content, and just try to be very fair, and just it's just really about quality, good content that people will relate to, and that's pretty much how that will build on its own. And then as you keep building your video library, you will pick up momentum automatically. It'll start picking up, and before you know it, it'll start rocking and rolling. It will build. You do have to have patience, and I do have patience. Okay, so last 28 days. Okay, so not subscribed 99%, subscribed 0.2. So that's kind of a bummer. So most people are just stopping by, looking at the videos, and just kind of moving on. And that's pretty typical, unless you can get a really good quality niche that someone really loves and you can grab onto, and also viewership. So you got to be seen. So it's really a combination. Maybe your videos are awesome, but no one's seen them, right? So you can't get subscribers if no one's really seen them. Even though you have thousands of hours, it could be just bits and pieces here and there. So it does take time to figure out your niche and figure out. And I'm still trying to figure out mine. So as I'm going along, I will figure it out, and then gives you top videos in the last 28 days. How to install a car battery, my crazy Costco experience, things like that. So these are all the different things that my top videos. Then you can go to revenue here, which there is no revenue. You can go to discovery. You can see, you look at all the stats, how many days, 28 days, how many impressions you've had, click-through rate for the impressions. I think 7.3 is decent. I think you get a 10 to 12. It really gets some traction. Again, a lot of videos are fairly new in the last couple of months. It takes time to build up the momentum in the background, basically. YouTube searches tells you that. External suggested videos from Google, from Bing. It just gives you so much. Xfinity Mobile. I mean, you really can dive into this really deeply, and it's really kind of cool. I think it's awesome. So I wanted to make a little video of it and just to go over with you and just show you. Another cool thing, your audiences. So most of mine are male. Okay, I don't really have a lot of women items, and most of mine are the male. I am marketing, not marketing. I wouldn't call it marketing. I would call it, I'm just producing more shopping videos with Costco, and just really just 'cause I love Costco, so I always go there all the time. So I'm working on that, and hopefully the female aspect will start coming over and start watching some of my videos and possibly even subscribing. You never know. You can't always expect everything, but you just keep pushing out content. That's all you can do. And then you get the age group. So the average age group for me is 25 to 34. And that's about the average it's been for me lately. I've seen that. And most of the views are in the United States, and you can just see that. So it's really, I mean, you can really see how this really works. It's awesome, right? Interactive, you get that. It's just amazing. So I wanted to make a video that's definitely, if you did not download this app, do so. It just gives you so much insight of what's going on. In your video. It's like, actually, I think this is almost even better than the YouTube platform, because this is a little bit cleaner. The interface is a little bit easier to read. So I do like this quite a bit. So tell me what you think. Leave a comment below. Leave a thumbs up if you think this video is cool. If you think it was, if you learned something from this app, I think it's great. I mean, if you're on YouTube at all and you're doing any kind of your content creator, basically, you definitely want this app. You want to download it and you want to use it. So if you found this of value, I do ask you to subscribe. That's what we do here. So I do appreciate you tuning into this little episode, and I'm going to dive deeper into this app, but I just wanted to put it in front of you and just see, let you look at it live with me and to get your thoughts. So again, leave some comments below, leave a like and share. That's great always. And don't forget to subscribe. All right, guys, that'll be it for this one. I hope you appreciate this, and I'll see you at the next video.